Yeah, all these files are related, particularly as it relates to finite machinery code records, false light memory driven implosion coded NOVA programs, between the permanent records and memory wipe technology recordings, because they're all related. And so I mentioned a video that I had done about dodging bullets, targets, super soldiers, and mathematical targets. Okay, so I'll give you a short file share of God Source Eternal protection for the missions that we perform as Auroras, cosmic level security, particularly as it relates to breathing cycles and how sliders operate. The safe point, the still point of a true vacuum, and not a false light, bent light vacuum. So I think it was, when was that, Mama? 1990. No, actually it was around 2003, right after the Y2K stuff, when I was a student at the University of Arkansas, and I had purchased a large screen Sony screen with a Dell Pentium 5, I believe it was, desktop, with a printer to do schoolwork, coursework, their schools. So one day when I was publishing a paper for class, their classroom, I was sitting in a chair, and this is a pretty large screen monitor, like a monitor monitoring you, like remote viewers. And so the way that system operates, mathematical target acquisitions, strategic and tactical planning, as in future planning agencies, like in global intelligence agencies. I got up from that chair to take a break and go downstairs. And just as I got up, the number 3, as in breathing cycles, 333, 999, not 222. Because I no sooner got up and 3 cycles after, bang, it blew up. And if I'd have been sitting in that chair, it would have blown up right in my face. Now, you can tie that directly to that channel that I mentioned before called Blank, B-L-A-N-C, Colio, C-O-L-I-O. His name is Juan Brown. He is apparently an accomplished pilot running flight simulators. And he does detailed statistical data analysis. So he looks at all the data points, the spin points in the system, in the implosion coded system, the implosion codes, the machinery codes. Machines don't have no feelings, and they certainly don't have any love to give us. So you understand how that works mathematically as electrical translation between one spin point and another spin point, one node and another node. The radiation counter, the mathematical calculator of an eternal capacitor. He catalogs like log entries, log in, log out. System design. And so he's cataloging how many planes, how many software simulators are crashing right now, including automobiles. So that's all related to all the previous videos that I did, as it's related to a calculator that's running on temporary memory, limited memory, with limited bandwidth. That's why it's killing numbers. It's a numbers game. That's the trap.